Hello, hello! Today I'm going to show you an awesome pagoda which is specialized in tea making. So have a look, guys. Park my bike, especially on the Honda parking space for my Honda, and now I'm going to show you the tea pagoda, guys. Here, as you can see, the pagoda is surrounded by tea plantation. Here, it's awesome. Wow, cafe and tea for free. Here, have a look. All the tea. Man. What I found very remarkable was the interplay between the tea plantation and the temple, and there was also a lotus lake and many beautiful statues that stood out in this temple. Looks like nobody is here. I think since it's 1 p.m. everyone is taking a nap, so yeah, I'm just strolling around here. A huge garden here. Wow. Oh. Oh, a doggo. Hey. Oh, sorry. Man. This is a huge pagoda garden here. Wow. It's gorgeous here. Yeah. It feels so peaceful. I could stay here for a whole day. Man. Look at this. A pink Buddha. Hey. Man. Never seen that before. This is definitely cool to play chess or just sit with your friends here and have a nice talk.